In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from a video using Canva, a fantastic tool for all your design and editing needs. Whether you're creating a presentation, a video montage, or just need the audio track for a special project, Canva makes it incredibly simple to separate the audio from any video file you have. To get started, go ahead and open Canva on your computer or device. If you haven't already, sign into your Canva account. If you're new to Canva, you can easily create an account. It's straightforward and free to start with. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Upload section. This is where we'll upload the video file that you want to extract audio from. Now, drag and drop your video file directly onto your design canvas. You can also click the Upload button and select your video file from your computer. This will upload the video to your Canva workspace. With your video in place, it's time to extract the audio. Right-click on the video and you'll see a menu pop up with several options. From this menu, select Extract Audio. Canva will automatically process the video and separate the audio from it. It usually takes just a few moments, depending on the size of your video file. Once the extraction is complete, you'll see that your audio is neatly separated and ready to be used. If you find that you don't need the video part anymore, feel free to delete it. Just click on the video and press the delete key. If you're planning to use the extracted audio elsewhere, like in another video or presentation, you can easily add a new video or image onto your design that will complement the audio track you've just extracted. Simply upload or select from Canva's extensive library of media to enhance your project. And there you have it. That's how you extract audio from a video using Canva. It's a quick and easy process that gives you the flexibility to use audio exactly how you need it, whether it's for a podcast, a presentation, or any creative project you have in mind. Don't forget to save your work, and if you find Canva's other features helpful, consider exploring them to elevate your design projects even further. Thanks for watching and happy designing.